Anthropic is so back, baby, because Claude 4 Sonnet is now extending its token window length to 1 million tokens. What the heck does that mean? Let's first talk tokens, because LLMs, no matter how smart they are, cannot understand words like you and me. What they do is they take words and break them up into these subwords called tokens, and each of these tokens is assigned a numerical value. And that is what LLMs use to reason with words. So, for example, the word intelligence may be tokenized or broken down into two separate tokens, intel and ligens. And this is why a context window of 1 million tokens translates to roughly about 750,000 words. That is still a massive context window length. That is enough to fit the entire trilogy of the Lord of the Rings novels. But why is the size of the context window so important? Why has it become a context window length measuring context among these big tech corporations? The context window length represents the amount of information an LLM can work with at any given time, and anything that goes past the context window, an LLM simply forgets. This is why when you've had a really long conversation with ChatGPT, it might tell you, hey, you've reached the maximum length of this conversation, time to move on to a new one. Because for each new chat in a conversation, the entire conversation history is sent in the chat request. This is why the longer a conversation goes, the more expensive it becomes to keep up with it.